Alright, good morning, guys. We're gonna go hit up Highway 26 with the guys this morning. Meet up with Disturbed Riders. Early morning, and Soka decides to bring a cop over here for speeding, the usual. But we're gonna go ahead and get this thing going, get some gas, and head out. Yeah, bro. Who else can we get to ride with us, bro?
We've got a pretty big group coming right now. You're gonna meet some guys.
Well, I'm the new one, so I'm just gonna cruise. Hey, is that Zang right there? Zang! Woo! Here with the guys, Disturbed Riders. Disturbed Riders going out to Highway 26 today, so we decided to join them. There's us right here, the Outsiders. Good group of guys. Check it out. Awesome. And we got the Grom in the back right here. Check it out. Oh man, I'm stoked. It'll be a good day today. We're gonna go out today with Disturbed Riders. These guys, it's been around for a while. One of my guys from my old team was with them, so this is actually my first time meeting them. Good couple of dudes. So their bikes are pretty diverse. I mean, they're all over the place. We even got a Grom here, S1000RR, a couple of 600s, and a Ducati, you know, so naked bike. We'll see what happens. This guy with the Grom is sick. We're just chilling. Disturbed Riders. There's Saka right there. His bike, you can totally tell, like, which one is him, you know? So yeah, guys, it's another beautiful day here in good old Modesto, 209. Share and subscribe. I'm here with the guys right now. We're gonna head out to Highway 26. I've never been there. I just met these guys. It's gonna be a good day. My morning started off kind of crazy though, because while waiting for Soka, as I went outside my house, there was actually a cop that followed him there for speeding. But everything was okay. Gave him a little pep talk. Give him a little pep talk, and we're good. Let him go, and that was it. That was good. Yeah, man. So shout out to my boy Beach for inviting us through. This is his little riding crew right here, man. Hey, that was a 300. I just got smoked by 300. Yeah. It was good, man. It was good. I think it's so sick. That Grom is so sick. I'm gonna freaking get one, even if it's just a clone, man. Oh, dude, I think it's so sick. All right, guys, we just got gas here at Valley Springs. We're all good, brother.
We're heading up to Pioneer and then circling back.
Okay. Alright guys, we're going to keep going up and circle back around with these guys. Awesome. Let me see if I can name all the bikes right now. I know that guy over there has a BMW S1000RR. My buddy got a ZX10R, 2 of them. Actually, one of them is a ZX6R. We got the Grom behind me. My boy with the R1 has it. You know what I mean? And then we got this guy with the Ducati. And of course the Ninja 300, which is super sick. Yeah, and I just want to say thank you for joining in with the channel and everything. These guys are awesome, man. Find yourself a good group, guys. It's real important, and at the same time, it's safer. You know, there's a lot of people out. You can just kind of watch you.
So open up more on your turns. Go wider. If you're gonna make the left, go out wider.
So go from outside to in?
Yeah, don't stay inside. You're making the left inside. You're doing good. Correct. Open up and turn.
So
follow me.
Okay.
Do this and just follow me.
All right.
Follow me.
Oh, teaching me, bro. Alright guys, this guy's gonna teach me some new things, man. He is an instructor, he goes to the track a lot, so, you know, I'm gonna try my best to like listen to what he's telling me.
1, 2, 3, come on! Come on, come on!
Yeah. So you just gotta pick your line before, huh?
Exactly. Yeah. Look always as far ahead as you can. You know, you're gonna see whatever as far as you can. That way you can predict where the turn.
How do you? Some of those corners were kind of long.
Yeah.
So how do you like hold it steady? Because you know how like when it's turning.
You gotta go faster.
You gotta go faster. Okay.
But don't want you to. So you just want to kind of get like in the middle of those real long sweepers. You want to stay in the middle of the lane.
That was fun, huh?
Here at Pioneer Burger with the rest of the guys.
Yeah.
S1000's right in front of me. Seeing this bike is like seeing a damn Ferrari or a Lambo or something.
Right before we went straight stop sign with that first one? Yeah.
Learning a lot from the guy for the 300.
Yeah, it is.
Super cool guy, man. Just trying to set up a track date. Trying to set up a track date with these guys. And keep a lookout because we're going to do a review on this 2020 S1000. We just ate at Pioneer Burger. We're going to start heading home now. There's a lot of noise coming from that bike.
Well, a monkey with a tambourine.
I'm just like, oh, what is that?
Because he's got an open dry clutch.
I know. faster a few times already. And these guys are the fastest guys I've ever been with. And I was smashing. Like, smashing more than I normally do, you know?
I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and a big thank you to Disturb Riders for having us on this ride. But until then, ride safe and see you all in the next one.